Draw and learn! Oh, look at this shark family! Hello kids! Today we want to coloring this happy shark family. Oh, look! Here we have a baby shark. He's so cute. And now mommy shark. She's smiling. She's so happy. And now daddy shark. He's so big and he has sharp teeth. Oh, grandma shark. She's so kind. She has the glasses here. And grandpa shark. He has no teeth. Okay, now it's time for coloring all this family. Let's do it with me. At first, I want to color daddy shark. Let's do it with red color. Oh, amazing! Let's do it with me. I like to color it very much. Do you like it too? If you like to color it with me, now we are finishing the coloring of daddy shark. Which of them is the next? Maybe mama shark. Yes, that's great. Which color is the best for mama shark? What about blue color? Oh, that's great. Let's color in mama shark. It seems that mama shark is so happy and kind. Awesome! Continue to coloring mama shark. Oh, I like to coloring very much. I'm sure you like it too. Please subscribe our channel. Now I want to use red color for her leaves. Now it's a turn to coloring baby shark. He's so cute. Which color is the best for baby shark? Oh, yellow color. Do you like yellow color? I like it very much. Look at this baby shark. I'm sure he respects his family very much. Do you respect your family? I I'm sure you'd do it. Okay, let's continue. Now we finished the baby shark. Excellent! So which of them the next? Oh, Grandma Shark! Okay, let's color it with pink color. Oh, Grandma is looking at us. Hello, Grandma Shark. She's so happy. And her eyes. Now it's a turn of Grandpa Shark. Which color do you like for Grandpa Shark? Green color. Okay, that's so awesome. Do you like green color? I like it very, very much. Let's do it with me. Grandpa Shark. Oh, kids, you know that we have to respect to our family, our grandpa and grandma. I'm sure you're so kind with them. Excellent! We colored family shark with each other. Well done! If you like to see my videos, please subscribe me. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Look at this colorful shark. So beautiful. Hello, kids. Today we want to draw a shark with each other. Let's go! Don't forget to subscribe us, kids. Please draw with me. I'm sure you can draw it very well. Oh, hello, Mr. Shark. I want to color in the tail with orange color. What about you, kids? Which color do you like? Now I like to use pink color. I like to have a colorful shark. What about you, kids? Let's using green color. Do you like blue color? So beautiful! If you like our video, please subscribe us. Keep going! I'm sure you can color it very well. Please draw with me. Oh, look, our shark is so happy. That's so awesome! Now I'm using purple color. Please subscribe us. Oh, that's so great! It finished! I like it very much. What about you? Let's color in some water here. Now we have a colorful shark. Thank you for watching me. See you in the next video.